7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, start the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, cross body. 1, 2, 3, go for the outside of the wrist on 5. I'm going to flick the hands up as I push her hip back. 6, 7, getting off the slide. So now I'm going to unwind her on 1, 1, 2. I'm going to grab the shoulder and grab the hand and step back on 3, misdirection. 3. Now I'm going to hammer lock and step forward 5. Another push pull. 6, 7, off the slide. So now I'm going to do a broken left turn as I start unwinding her whip. So I'm off the slide, turning. 1, 2, over my head. 3. I'm going to bring fingers down over her head. 5 as I cast the shoulder. I'm going to do another step back, salsa step as I give her misdirection. 6, 7, bring the hand over the head. So now on 1, I'm going to step to the side. 1, keeping the hand close to my rib cage. I'm going to start grabbing the right hand on 2, over the head on 3. Now I'm going to let it go. 4 to give her double. 5, 6, 7, cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7, start with basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Left turn right away on 1, 2, cross in front 3. Let's do misdirect. Back on 5, 6, 7. Now turn again on 1 to left 1, 2, 3, keep turning on 5. Cross in front again for another misdirection on 6, 7. Now step to the side on 1, grab 10, go forward on 2, turn 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6.
Hi guys, it's Angie from Casa Salsa. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out our other free videos with tips and tricks for the dance floor. Make sure you subscribe to the link below so you don't miss any of our new upcoming content. And if you look in the description, you'll find a link to our website to get access to exclusive content. And if you want to take a live class with us, you can do so as well. Link on the description. See you next time.